Hey, what's up, guys? I was sent a 2-pack of hat racks for free so I could try them out and then make a review and let you know what I think about them. I actually really like it. So it was really easy to install, and you can see how well my hats are available and visible to me there. One thing I'll say is only that, if you have different like textures, I say textures of hats. So like my front hat up here, it's a much heavier canvas. And I have the one back here, it's a lot looser. So it took me kind of, a little bit of adjusting to figure out what order I wanted to have them in. But once you kind of figure out where your hats fit into it and what order, it works really well. And I just think it's a really good thing to have, as opposed to like before I would just kind of set them on stuff like light fixtures or whatever, just dresser, just have them sitting around, and nobody likes that. So, having something like this has made it really nice and really convenient for me to put my hats and always have them somewhere to place it and keep them safe and keep my house cleaned up. So I really do love it.